I swear! Hi, I'm Sophia, the director of Stonebound by one and only Studio Meridian.
Hi again! I'm Jel, the director of Mandarangkal by Silab Film Production.
Hi, my name is Jessica S. Adino, the director of Ikasham by Lambana Film Productions.
What is your main responsibility as the director and your most fulfilling part of having this role?
My main responsibility as the director sa film namin is, of course, to guide the story emotionally and visually na rin in order for us to make sure na yung scenes aligns doon sa script namin and vision namin. Hindi lang yung vision ko, pati na rin yung vision ng buong team namin. Sa fulfillment naman, siguro when yung actors namin na-execute nila and nabibring out to life yung nasa script namin or yung buong story.
My main responsibility as the director of Mandarangkal was to guide my actors kung saan ba sila mag-blocking, saan yung placement ng props, kung paano aayusin yung set, on how they will deliver the lines. Basically, the creative part of our film. And the fulfilling part of being the director is you get to know the actors more, not just in terms of professional scope, but them personal. Kumaga, mas nakikilala mo yung pagkatao nila, nakikilala mo yung preferences nila, and you're building not just a companionship, but the friendship in the long run.
As a director, I think isa sa biggest responsible ko is to bring the characters to life how the writers imagined them. Sa fulfilling part naman is mat-take ang isang scene ng one take lang.
What is the biggest challenge you will face as a director during this production?
In terms of directing the actors, so far, I'm very thankful na wala akong masyadong issues or challenge sa pag-direct sa kanila because I'm very thankful. Shoutout sa inyo. They're really passionate about it kasi and hindi lang nila binabasa yung script, in-internalize rin nila. So, meron doon mga parts na nag-request sila sa akin kung pwede mag-adlib, magdagdag ng ganito. So, in terms of directing the actors, wala masyadong challenge. Sa production naman, yung challenge na face namin during filming is yung pag-balance ng time and quality na rin. Because, unfortunately, nagkaroon ng bad weather and yung most of our scenes outdoors kasi. So, we had to think fast and so ayun, nagkaroon ng rescheduling. So far, okay naman.
Lingid sa kaalaman ng lahat, kami po ay nag-back to zero ng script. So basically, ulit siya. Yung pinakamahirap na part is, hindi naman sa nagwaldas kami ng pera, pero nakapagbitaw na kami ng malaking halaga. It was 5 digits, I guess. So malaking pera yon na nawala. And it all went for the interior part or the minimum part of the film. And it's not covered everything. So, nahirapan kami mag-produce na naman ng pera, maghanap na naman ng sponsorships, at ulitin na naman kung ano yung mga magagandang scenes na pwede naming ilapat sa film. Kaya sobrang hirap mag-generate ng idea, sobrang hirap mag-revise, and sobrang hirap mag-tweak and sagarin yung sequence na nasimulan nyo na. Because we went from 40 pages to 20 pages ng script. Grabe yung revision, grabe yung cut. So, sobrang hirap din talaga. But, I'm having a good team, the best cast, the best staff that you could ever had or ever imagined being in a production unit. Sobrang malaking tulong din talaga yung mga suggestions nila. And very good thing na inassure nila kami na hindi nila kami iiwan during the process because we went from zero eh. Nakaka-touch din na yung mga actors namin inassure kami na hindi nila kami iiwan during the process of developing the story more as better as it was before.
Okay, I think as the director, ang pinakamahirap talaga and yung challenge for me is yung labor sa shoot. I'm handling different roles kasi kami-kami lang talaga sa production. So, super hirap niya. But at the same time, enjoyable naman.
How important is communication between you and the production team?
Pre-production pa lang, our team really made sure na communication is the key kasi I believe na if your team is in chaos or hindi communicative internally, magre-reflect siya externally and lalo-lalo na sa output ng team nyo or ng buong production team. So, I'm very thankful. Hindi ko to usually sinasabi sa GC namin, pero I'm very thankful na yung team ko are really optimistic. So, despite yung mga challenges na na-face namin during filming, wala masyadong nagkaroon ng miscommunication and masyadong away or gulo because we're really optimistic. And yeah, and I think when you're working with the right people, everything will go smoothly.
Sobra. Of course, collaboration is the key and communication is the keyer. Keme. Basta, sobrang mahalaga na meron kayong collaboration inside the unit kasi tulong-tulong kayong mag-decide. I mean, being a director does not equate to being a boss. So, hindi ikaw yung 100% na masusunod sa kung ano ba yung gusto mong ilapat just because you have the power to do the creative side of the film. Hindi ganun siya nag-work. Kailangan meron kayong strong bond and communication and collaboration din. And marunong tumanggap ng criticisms and marunong mag-improve and visible naman siya sa team namin. And what I really love about the production unit is that pag may ginagawa yung isa, may gagawin din yung isa, hindi na sila kailangan sabihan. Kasi ganun yung parang mahirap yung communication na kailangan pang ulit-ulitin. Pero sa Silab hindi. May mga own priorities kami and parang nagkakaroon ng harmony. That's why itong pag-ulit namin, parang second chance rin siya sa Silab to become a better team. As time goes by na wino-workout namin kung paano ba namin mapapabuti pa yung film namin or yung output.
Pre-production pa lang, nag-usap-usap na kami and napag-usapan na rin namin yun. Very important siya kasi pag hindi siya align, yung mga members and yung roles, especially the writers, director, cinematographers, then yung PM, magkakagulo-gulo yung shoot and masasacrifice yung progress, yung time. So,
How do you manage your emotions while directing, especially when scenes get tense or frustrating?
So far, wala na masyadong frustrating na moments during our filming. Pero, for me, as a director kasi, I don't want our actors to feel pressured. Kasi, for me, as long as it serves on our story, kahit 20 scenes or 20 takes pa yan or kahit 100 pa yan, basta hindi ganun ka-pressured yung actors namin and hindi ako nagpapadala sa emotions ko, lalo na kung in terms of negative emotions.
Wala naman. Tinatawanan lang namin if ever may mga magkamali. Tawa lang. Wala. Chill lang talaga. As in, no pressure at all. Wala talaga. And good thing din na meron kaming magagaling at experienced na cast as hindi na namin kailangan silang sabihan kung ano ba yung kailangan ulit-ulitin. And yung ad-libs, it just comes naturally. And nagpapaalam naman din sila if gusto nilang may i-improve doon sa scenes and nakiki-collaborate din sila sa amin. That's why hindi naman kami masyadong problematic when it comes to executing the lines. And also, when it comes to handling my emotions, actually hindi naman ako masyadong stressed. Hindi na ako masyadong stressed sa group kasi maganda yung performance nila. I'm super satisfied. And hindi naman nila kami binibigo because we know and it's visible to them kung gaano sila ka-passionate, kung gaano sila ka-willing to collaborate with us, and kung gaano nila gustong magkaroon ng relationship with us platonically.
as of now, nag-start na rin kami mag-shoot. Pero wala pa naman kami na-shoot na heavy or emotional scenes. But, kung sa mga circumstances, like sa set, availability sa shoot, sa actors, yung mga nakaka-frustrate, one time, we have this actor na nangyari sa kanya, tapos nakaka-frustrate talaga siya, B. Kaya wala, thank God. Tinulungan ako ng prod members ko. Tapos, I learned a lot that day. Kaya, I think, ma-manage ko na siya.
What message or feeling do you want the audience to carry after watching your film?
Ang pinaka-goal talaga ng Studio Meridian sa film namin na Stonebound is of course to resonate sa audience and also for them to escape reality. And I want them to live with a feeling that love, no matter how quiet or complicated, changes us. And sometimes the journey of finding or knowing yourself is its own kind of bravery. So, ayun, hopefully mag-resonate siya sa audience namin. Watch Stonebound.
Matakot na lang sila and ma-frustrate and wonder kung Basta, mag-iisip kayo, isipin yung mabuti. And I suggest na you look for the messages, not just in terms of the lines, but also the overall presentation of the film. I suggest that you should watch us carefully for you to understand the film more.
I want the audience to feel yung mix ng pagod, takot, tsaka confusions ng mga characters namin. Yun yung gusto naming i-resonate. Then, another thing is, yung growth, tsaka healing is hindi siya clean or cinematic. Kung makakausad ba siya or hindi. Another thing is, want din namin yung audience na matuto sa characters ng film, how to make rational decisions, and kung may consequences ba yung mga choices nila sa life.
For our fast talk, hard scenes or soft scenes?
Hard scenes.
Hard scenes.
Hard scenes.
Worst enemy, bad weather or bad audio?
Bad weather.
Bad audio.
Bad audio.
Wide shot or close up?
Wide shot.
Close up.
Close up.
Calm director or galit agad?
Calm director.
Calm director.
Calm director.
Coffee or energy drink during shot? Ay. Ulit. During shoot. Coffee or energy drink during shoot?
Coffee.
Coffee.
Wala.
Perfect lighting or perfect performance?
Perfect lighting.
Perfect performance.
Performance.
One take or take 20?
Take 20.
Take 20.
Take 100.
Love life or film life?
Love life.
Whoa. Film life.
Film life after kayo ni love life.
On scale 1 to 10, how stressful was your shoot?
100.
5.
10.
Complete the sentence. Being a director is like...
Being schizophrenic.
Being a contractor.
Philippine Looper, lakad ka ng lakad.
Please watch our films.
Stonebound by Studio Meridian.
Mandarangkal by Sila Film Production.
Ikasyam by Lambana Film Productions.
On the upcoming BULFF 2025.
Please like and follow.
Sini Hablawan.
And all of their social media platforms. See, love you.